It's Ernest. E-A-R-N-E-S-T.
Yes, but he goes by E-R-N-E-S-T, right?
Yep.
I think so.
Yeah. Did you know Ernest Rutherford was born on August 30th, 1871?
Yeah, in New Zealand, right?
Yeah, he's like the fourth child of like 12 kids.
12 kids?
Yeah, 12 kids. It's like 6 brothers and 5 sisters.
Didn't he go to Cambridge University where he completed his bachelor's degree in science in 1892, I'm pretty sure?
Yeah, and then I think the following year he completed his master's degree also at Cambridge University.
And then later, I think he went on to get his BS degree.
Yes, the BS degree.
Yes, I remember that.
And then he finished his schooling with his doctorate degree in 1901.
Yes. The experiment was the gold foil experiment, for which he overturned J.J. Thomson's plum pudding model and proved it wrong.
J.J. Thomson was well known for his plum pudding model. Thomson proposed this model for the atom. He believed that the negative electrons were spread evenly throughout the positive charge of the rest of the atom. Ernest Rutherford studied research under Thomson. That led him to experiment his own theory. Rutherford's experiment bombarded a thin piece of gold foil with fast-moving alpha particles that are positively charged particles with 4 times the mass of a hydrogen atom. He originally assumed the mass and charge were uniformly distributed throughout the atoms of the gold foil. He expected the alpha particles to pass through with only a slight deflection, and for the majority, they did. Charged alpha particles, and we're going to see what happens when we throw them at the gold foil. It was as if you had shot a 15-inch bullet shell at a piece of tissue paper and it had came back and hit you. After so many alpha particles were shot through, some came back, quote, as if you had fired a 15-inch shell at a piece of tissue paper and it had come back and hit you. He then found that most of the atom is empty space except for the small condensed nucleus that has a positive charge. Ernest Rutherford overturned J.J. Thomson's plum pudding model with the gold foil model in 1911. Positively charged alpha particles, and we're going to see what happens when you throw them at gold foil. Okay, I'm done. Are positively charged alpha particles. We're gonna see what happens when you throw them through and hit them with a gold foil. Charged alpha particles, and we're gonna see what happens when we throw them at the gold foil.
Yeah, sure. Okay. We gotta complete his. Okay, go again.
Is it my face that you're laughing at?
Yeah, because after you do that, you were like, oh. Okay, okay, in 1892. Didn't he complete? Wait.
Oh!
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Didn't he complete his bachelor's degree in like 1892, wasn't it?
Yeah. Ernest Rutherford was born in... What?
You were recording?